Let's talk about how to install rich pins on your WordPress website. This process has recently changed, and there is no longer one of the steps involved in setting up your own rich pins and getting them validated. That's the part that's gone now, is the validation. So if you've watched any previous videos or any older videos on installing rich pins on your WordPress website, that part of the process is gone and those videos are outdated. So Pinterest has basically made the process pretty automatic as long as you have Open Graph turned on your WordPress website. So Open Graph metadata, then you will have rich pins automatically. This is also true if you install one of the food blogging recipe apps, then you will automatically have rich pins for recipes unless you put some code in to turn them off. Now, there is a bit of an advanced process of implementing some code on the header of your website. So let's actually just dive into this process for WordPress. So let's talk about rich pins for your WordPress website. And this is if you have a Show It website. If you do have a Show It website and you do not have the plan where you have your own plugins, you will need to upgrade to be able to add your own plugins. To my knowledge, I've not done a lot of deep dives in that. I just pay for the more advanced Show It plan. So this is for any WordPress themes, also with Show It with the advanced plan. So what you're going to do is you're going to download this Yoast SEO plugin. I'm going to assume you know how to download plugins if you have a WordPress website, because it's like the first thing you do when you get a WordPress site. So you're going to go to Add New and you're going to search for Yoast. And you're going to install it. And you're going to activate it. Mine needs updated, so we're just going to go ahead and update it really quick. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to Yoast and we're going to go to General. And then we're going to go to Settings. And then under Settings, you are going to go to right down here under Social Sharing on the first page. And just make sure your Open Graph settings are turned on. If they are, you're all good. If it's not, or if this isn't here or you don't understand it, then that's what you're missing. It is literally that simple. To have rich pins for your Shopify site, all you have to do is install the Shopify plugin with Pinterest. To do that, you can either go into Shopify, into the apps, or you can go to your Pinterest account. When you are in your Pinterest account and in Settings, you're going to go to Claimed Accounts and you're going to click Install App with Shopify. If you're in the Shopify section, you're going to go to Sales Channels or Add a Sales Channel, and you are going to add the Pinterest app to your store. I already have it, so I don't need to do anything else, but this is automatically going to turn on rich pins for you. For SquareSpace, all you need to do in your SquareSpace website settings is actually just connect your Pinterest account. In your SquareSpace website, you're going to go to Settings. You are going to go on down to Connected Accounts, Connect Account, and choose Pinterest. And once you do that, your account will then have rich pins on Pinterest. I'm not logged into Pinterest right now, which is why you're getting this 404. But you should then be able to connect your Pinterest and it will have rich pins. Aren't you so happy that it's been so simplified and rich pins don't take 4 hours to figure out how to install? Yeah, me too. So I just covered WordPress, SquareSpace, and Shopify. If you have another website type that you want to learn how to install rich pins on, hit me in the comments down below and let me know what it is, and I will see if I can do a little legwork for you. That's it for this week. Head on over to these videos and I will see you there.